This is the ring and pinion they took out of my 1972 GTO with a 400, and they're not really in bad shape, except I'm very lucky that he did the job because he told me he did not do this. You'll notice that that is loose. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that loose? 10. They were all loose. If one of these had come out and gone into the ring and pinion, it would have caused the rear end to seize up. So, money well spent, although it was rather expensive. He replaced every single bearing, bushing, and checked all the axles and all the seals. So, now I have a little better takeoff off the line, but I didn't go for a 355. So if someone wanted this for some reason, I might sell it to them or give it to them, but you'd pay the shipping. And that is pretty hefty, as you know. That's like 25, 30 pounds. So you see they're spinning. That's how I took it out of the car.